Hello everyone, my name is Kayla from the Museum of Antiquities, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hula skirt and a Hawaiian lei. Okay, so we're going to start by going to the Ancient Adventures pack and grabbing the supplies for the hula skirt and the lei. Today I think we are going to start with a hula skirt so we can let that dry when we assemble the lei. The supplies you will need for this craft is one piece of green ribbon, a bunch of green streamers, 7 small flowers, and grab your own glue and some scissors just in case. Now that we've gone through the supplies, we can start our craft. First, lay the green ribbon out in front of you, and then take your flowers and we can put them on. I recommend starting in the middle where you place one flower, and then you can take the next 2 and space them apart and place them next. And you can keep doing this until you run out of flowers. Once we are happy with where we have placed the flowers, we can add the glue. Take your white glue and put a dot onto the green ribbon where you want the flower to go. But be careful, we don't want too much glue because we can always add more glue after, but we can't take away glue. So while the flowers are drying, we will lay out our green streamer pieces. But be careful, streamers are very delicate and can rip easily. Now that the flowers have dried, we can add the grass part of our hula skirt. Carefully take the green ribbon and flip it over. This is where we will be gluing our streamers to. Next, we will take our white glue and spread a little bit of white glue onto the streamer. But remember, not too much white glue. Then we will take the streamer and glue it on to the ribbon. Remember to leave some space at the end so that you can tie it afterwards. You can add your pieces of streamer overlapping or spaced out. It's up to you. Okay, now while we let the hula skirt dry, we will start our Hawaiian lei. Start by grabbing the supplies, 1 piece of white string, a bunch of white straw, beads, and your flowers. So we will take our string and lay it out flat so that it doesn't get tangled. It might be easier to put on the straw, the beads, and the flowers if you tape it down at one end. But make sure that you get an adult's permission first. So we will take a piece of straw, put it through onto the string, and then a bead, a flower, another bead, and another piece of straw. And keep doing that until you run out of supplies or you think it's good enough. And you don't have to do it in the same order that I do. You can do it in any order that you want to. So now that our flower lei is complete, we can tie it. You can ask an adult to help you tie it around your neck, or you can tie it yourself and slip it over your head. And then you can put on the hula skirt and tie it using the ribbon that we left at the ends. This can also be a bit tricky, so feel free to ask an adult again to help you put it on. All finished. Now that we have our hula skirt and our Hawaiian lei, we're ready to go to Hawaii. Be sure to check out our video of history on Hawaii on our WordPress page to learn more. See you next time.
The museum would love to see what you guys have come up with and to share your creations with our friends. Share pictures of your creations with us by messaging us on our Facebook page, by email, or tagging us on Twitter. Also, be sure to check our social media pages and our website to see your creation alongside our friends.